Lusot tayo ah.
Ay, pa kundi, di ba balik tayo dito? Parang yung sa ano yun, no? Sa bata. Oh, yeah. We finally found a resort. Amazingly, kami lang ang tao dito. So, we have the whole place to ourselves. It looks amazing. There we go. How serene is that? Unfortunately, they don't serve food, so kailangan namin lumabas sa town to buy food. But then, this place is ours. That's our teepee over there, and it has its own kubo for the morning. The beauty of working from home allows you to make use of each and every opportunity to teach. Since we're under this canopy of stars, napaka-clear ng sky, and it is a full moon for our school tonight, we are discussing astronomy. Good morning! It is a wonderful, awesome day. We have the resort all to ourselves. Meron walang din naman, but that's for another resort. Grounding.
Ay, hindi. Naano na siya.
Nakain?
Oh, bro, it's so cute.
It's an ano yung jellyfish.
Hi, doggy!
Pasok tayo. Bakit tayo?
Patong mo lang muna dyan sa pot.
Which pop?
Yung pot. Just one pot. Okay. Another thing that we do for our lessons is just focus on our book reading. So book reading and narration is an integral part of the Charlotte Mason method as well. So right now we are working on, this is our book, The Wizard of Oz, and we are going through this. So this is very easy to bring. We just have the book with us and do a quick chapter and do a quick narration whenever we have the chance. But on top of that, being out and about just brings a lot of opportunities to do homeschool. Like earlier, Lee's helping out with the cooking, she's helping out with the cleaning of the stuff, and also integrated with nature study, with math. When we go to the store, she figures out how much to pay, magkano yung change, and all that. So it's a very holistic method, and it's sort of like integrating everything all together. Can I have the crab? Hi, Krabby! Go back to the water! Oh, put them back na, put them back. Happy anniversary! We forgot the key inside. Ayan na siya! And the duct tape hack work. Hindi lang siya ganun kalaki. A little bit. And then, sungkit na lang. Happy anniversary to us! Hey everyone! Good morning! It's our last day dito sa resort. For now, we'll have coffee by the beach while we do a quick dip as well. So, there. Coffee's here. Hi everyone. It's our last day here sa resort. Sobrang nagustuhan namin yung place and we're definitely going back. Ano ba mga nagustuhan namin? Personally, I like na wala masyadong tao. Maganda yung sounds. Hindi maingay. The accommodations is okay. Yung mga caretakers are really nice and helpful. Like, nung tinry namin i-figure out kung paano i-open yung sasakyan kasi naiwanan namin yung keys sa loob. They all pitched in. They all helped. Which is something that we really appreciate. Beach-wise, I like the beach kasi hindi siya mabato. And at the same time, I like na napakakalma ng tubig. Hindi siya maalon. Personally, for me, I really like the place. I know that it might be different for you, like amenities or like if you're into surfing and all that. But personally, this checked all the boxes for me, and we're definitely going back.